Hello, my name is David Hooker and I'm the Head of Creative Services here at Prezi. Over the last 4 years, my team and I have created presentations for speakers on stages as large as TED and South by Southwest, as well as companies like Oracle, IBM, Salesforce and the United Nations. Prezi is a cloud-based presentation software that, unlike slides, allows you to show your ideas in context. For example, you can zoom in on details and pull back to reveal the bigger picture. Today, we have over 85 million registered users and a database of more than 300 million presentations. In this class, I'm going to take you through the process of creating what we like to call a Prezume, which is taking your tired, old, boring 2D resume and turning it into a fun, interactive, engaging Prezi. If you ever actually want to work at Prezi, this is the first part of the application process because it gets you into the editor in a fun and engaging way. In this lesson, we will cover what makes a good Prezi, planning, preparation, as well as teaching you the actual software. Along the way, I hope to pass on to you some tips and tricks that I've picked up over the years. For me, my team, and our speakers, Prezi is a really powerful tool for visual storytelling. Now, one thing you should know about me is I don't have any formal training in design, and the Prezume that I'm going to teach you to make today doesn't require any specialist skills in something like Photoshop. So if I can do it, you can do it. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the desire to make a better resume.